What's up, guys? Today we're diving into a brand new airdrop that you need to know about. In this video, I'm breaking down a fresh airdrop from a super promising new blockchain. The money they've secured, we're talking over $7 million in funding from 3 tier 1 backers. So this is not some fly-by-night operation. And bro, they've given us an official schedule for the reward. That is cool. Alright, listen up. They've officially announced the airdrop, and here's the deal. It is broken down into two distinct phases. The important thing to know right now is that phase 1 is super short, so we gotta move fast. Phase 1 is all about those simple social tasks, while phase 2 will be for the heavier on-chain activity. The good news is there is no limit to how many points you can earn. Just a couple of quick but crucial tips though. Your X accounts need to be over a month old, and they are absolutely not allowing multi-accounting. So keep it simple and keep it legit. First things, you gotta hit up this website. The very first step is to connect your wallet. So look for that nice yellow button and link up your EVM wallets like MetaMask or Rabi. After that, they are gonna ask you to follow their X and join their Discord. We're just gonna say okay, fine to that. So connect your X right here, then connect their Discord. Make sure you actually join the Discord server. And click complete and agree to the rules. Last step for this section, head over to the verified channel in their Discord. You'll probably get a link to an external site. Go there and verify your account to log it in. Okay, now we're at the important part of almost any airdrop, getting that Discord OG role. If you are serious about maximizing your rewards, this is where you need to focus. On their server, they lay out exactly how you can qualify for the OG status. Personally, I think this first option here looks the easiest, so that's what we're going to try and hit first. First, jump into the PointsYard channel. Type this comment, claim daily. Do this every day. It will give you 10 gold plus bonus points for keeping a streak live. When you are farmed enough gold, head over to the catch up section. It costs 400 credit points to buy redeem the OG rule. Now don't forget the boost. While you are at it, jump into referral quest section and drop this code in this field. This is gonna give you some extra gold right away to help you get closer to your goal. Alright team, let's maximize those points. For any tasks that pops up asking for an invite code, definitely type in this code right here. If you go with the description link, this code appears automatically right here. After that, hit next. And you get your own referral link. You can earn 200 points for every person you invite, up to a limit of 10 people. So that is where the real points are. The rest of the initial tasks are simple, just the normal like and quote their post. But remember that your daily points claims are the secret sauce. Don't miss a day. If you keep that daily streak going, they will hook you up with some sweet extra bonus points for your effort. Alright, here's the crucial timeline you need to know. Phase 2 starts next month in November. That is when things get serious, because phase 2 is all about the on-chain activity. So use this time now to get ready based on how projects like this operate, building community buzz. My guess is the token generation event or TGE is likely going to happen in the December in this year, or maybe early Q1 of 2026 next year. I think January or February. So the time to stack points is now. Make sure you complete all your missions, be super active, and most importantly, lock in that OG Discord role before it's too late. The last word is goodbyes, hero!